Hey guys, it's Margaret with Sassy Southern Shopper Mom. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a Target coupon deal with you. I've been doing a little behind the scenes stuff and I've been picking up the newspapers for the last 3 weeks because I want to get back into couponing and saving money like I was doing before. So with that said, I went to Target and I got some of the coupon deals that they have. Some things that I wanted they didn't have, and there were more like Ibotta rebate deals, so that's perfectly fine. But the coupon deals, pretty much they had everything that I wanted, so I'm going to share with you those deals and those items. But first I'm going to tell you that I spent $27.40 out of pocket, and my total before coupons and everything was $70.04, and that includes the tax. So with that being said, I still have one rebate I'm waiting to get back, and it is $5, and I will tell you exactly which one that comes off of in just a second. So when I get the $5 back, technically I will have spent $22.40 for everything that I got in this coupon deal. So that was a 68% savings on this coupon deal. So I'm so excited that getting back into couponing, I'm already kind of jumping right back in where I left off and saving lots of money on things that we need and that we use. So let's go ahead and get started and let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is everything that I got from Target in my coupon haul. Remember, I paid $27.40. I'm getting a $5 Ibotta rebate back, which will make it $22.40 that I will have spent on these items. But as of right now, I paid out of pocket $27.40. My total before coupons and everything was $70.04. So let me go ahead and jump into this and go over everything with you. So Coppertone right now, it's not on sale or anything like that. Regular price is $6.99 for this bottle. It is the 7 fluid ounce. So they are both $6.99 each, and I used a $5 off to manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source, $5.23. Then in order to get this deal, you also have to have the Cartwheel app. So I have that on my phone, and I applied the 20% off Coppertone coupon to both of these as well. And I have also submitted to Ibotta for $2.50 back on each bottle, so $5 total I'm going to get back on each one of these bottles. And that brings my total down to 59 cents for each one of these. So that is a really good deal on sunscreen. My next item here is the Febreze plugins. I did get 4 of these. They are priced at $2.99 each. I do use these at my house. It's an oil warmer that I use more frequent than Glade, so I do have these in my house, but this is the one that has the low level indicator light, so they're new. And in the June P&G that just came out this past Sunday, there's a coupon to get it for free, so I got all 4 of these for free. So those were completely free. Then the next deal that I did was the Johnson & Johnson stuff here. I got 2 of the baby lotions and 2 of the head to toe of the Johnson's soaps. And then in the Smart Source $5.23 as well, there is a $2 off of 1. So this coupon says that you can only use 1 in, because I know someone's going to say something about my Febreze or my Johnson & Johnson or some of the other products. I did 4 transactions in order to get all of this stuff today. So I did break my stuff up so that I was going by the rules of my coupons. I just want everyone to know that, heads up. So these were $2.99 each, and even for the soaps they were $2.99 each. And then so from the Smart Source $5.23 there was a $2 off coupon, which made each of these 99 cents each. So that was a really good deal, because I mean for this brand I feel like 99 cents for a 10.2 fluid ounce bottle is a pretty good deal. So I got those, and I'll be giving those away to my niece because she's having a baby this year, so that will be for her. And then I got some of these cleaners. These are the 9 Element brand. It's a new brand put out by P&G, and it's supposed to be all plant-based, and it's a vinegar power. This is cleaning vinegar in this products. So I will tell you right now, if you do not like the smell of vinegar or cleaning vinegar, then these might not be the products for you. Because it is, I can definitely tell there's vinegar there, there's cleaning vinegar. So you know it's gonna clean the products, but I just wanna give a heads up to you, like if you're thinking about going and getting this, but you like stuff that smells good, this may not be something that you're really gonna like if you don't like a cleaning vinegar smell. It does have citrus to it, but because it is a lemon scent, but I just want to give a heads up. It does have a strong cleaning vinegar smell. So the Element dish soap, this is a 16 fluid ounce bottle, and I bought 2 of them. I meant to get 4 of the soaps and 4 of the cleaners, but I got a little distracted at Target. That happens quite often, but I just got 2, so it's still worked out, and I can get the others later because the coupon is actually still in my Cartwheel app. So I got 2 of those, and in the June P&G there is a buy one get one free coupon. So these were $3.99 each, so I bought one and I got the other one free. Then I also applied through my Cartwheel app 40% off of 9 Element liquid dish soap coupon. So I got 40% off of the soap. So that made it a pretty decent deal there as well. Then the next thing I got was the bathroom cleaner from 9 Element. I got the lemon scent on this one. It says it's clean soap scum, hard water buildup, and grime. So I'm gonna put this to the test and see how it does. I will say that on the back of this, it does say do not use on like stone stuff like marble and kind of stuff like that. So make sure you read the back of these items. So the bathroom cleaner was $4.99 each. I did buy 2 of those for $4.99 each, and then I had another manufacturer from the June P&G for buy one get one free, so I got one of these for free. And then in the Cartwheel app there is a 40% off 9 Element bathroom spray, so I got 40% off of these as well. And then the last item that I did buy was this Cascade, because we were just low and I needed it, and I don't like the Cascade with the Oxy Plus in it. So I got this for $8.99, and I used a 50% off manufacturer coupon from the June P&G. So all together I spent $27.40 out of pocket. Alright guys, so this was a 68% savings at Target for a coupon haul. I thoroughly enjoyed going there and shopping and getting these items on coupons. So hopefully I'll be bringing you more coupon deals. Definitely going to be bringing you a Publix one this week. Hopefully next week I might get a CVS one in, just depending what the deals are and what's going on in the stores. So I hope that weekly I can bring you some more coupon deals and hauls. And I hope that you enjoyed these. If you did, hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.